Hello, welcome to KnowledgeCity's intermediate course on Microsoft Project. My name is Elissa Smith, and I've been a Microsoft facilitator for over 20 years, teaching end users software applications like Microsoft Project. Now, this course is designed for users who already have a basic working knowledge of the Microsoft Project application. Throughout this course, we're going to be focusing on tools that can help you manage an ongoing project. For example, we're going to come in and learn how you can use the timeline view to help you share information about your project actually outside of the project application. We're also going to go in and explore other views like the network diagram view that allows you to see your tasks as nodes. Additionally, we're going to spend time looking at how you can actually sort and filter in your task table. We're also going to be exploring how you can go in and save tools like a baseline plan or an interim plan that can help you track your project once it's in progress. We'll also be going in and looking at how you can assign resources to your tasks and then create what's called a resource pool, which is a great way to share a group of resources with multiple projects. We're also going to look at a view called the Gantt chart view, which can be utilized once a baseline has been saved to help you to actually see the progress of your tasks with their baselines. By the end of this course, you will be able to assign resources to your tasks, create and save a baseline or an interim plan to help track the progress of your ongoing tasks. You'll also be able to edit both in the timeline view and the network diagram views. And finally, also utilize the tracking Gantt chart to help you visually see the progress of your project. Let's get started.